Okay, welcome to Solopreneur Success OS walkthrough. Right, in this very short video, I hope that I give you a complete walkthrough of the entire Solopreneur Success OS to give you a better idea of how comprehensive and how elaborate the entire OS is. Right, so after you duplicated the system, right, you'll be brought to this page, and like what most of you can do is you can click to expand and read about the system. Right, so the key three benefits of Solopreneur Success OS are laser focused clarity, strategic blueprint, and AI accelerated growth. So throughout the entire system, there will be AI embedded AI prompts for you to generate certain outputs to enhance the experience, and so that you can generate the entire business plan out in the efficient way possible. Alright, so essentially when I created Solopreneur Success OS, there isn't anything in the market that allows you to have the knowledge, right, help you plan strategically, and also create action plans within the entire one system. Right, most of the system out there, they either focus on one or two parts of the issue that is presented here. Right, so if you have already known, Solopreneur Success is embedded with three key items, which is the ACE framework. Right, so you have aim, create, and evolve. Right, so throughout the entire OS, right, this is involved. Right, and what I'm going to go through now is to bring you through step by step the ACE framework, and then also click on some of the things that you can see and some of the things you can work on after you purchase the OS. Right, without further ado, let's start. Alright, so this is the entire page. As you can see here, it's very short, right? But then there's a lot of things inside. Right, so something to be mindful of, right? Database, do not delete. So there are 4 key databases inside the OS, right? So you have the modules. This is for you to learn. There's a blueprint, right? There's a blueprint here. This is for you to generate the business plan out. And then there's a SOP, right? This is the part whereby I've included tons and tons of SOP for you to use immediately. And then of course there's also a section whereby I inbuilt a lot of Notion templates for you to use immediately as well. Alright, so as you go through, then there's an overview, right? The business plan overview will include an entire overview of your business plan. There isn't anything now because we have not completed the entire thing, right? So what you need to do is you go to the main page, and then we start off one by one. Okay, alright, so you can also look at the SOPs, alright, and then you can also look at the templates. Right, these are all the templates that are available in SSOS now. Okay, so when you go through module by module, this is about the SSOS. Right, so I also included some write-up. There's a ton of learning materials for you to go through. Right, and then if you go through the ACE framework, right, you see the entire ACE framework here lined up for you with all the specific points, and then the write-ups as well. Right, and then of course when you start with step 1.1, there will be under aim, define your business goals. Right, this will cover a ton of things. Right, and throughout the entire system, you'll see the main table of contents for you to, which is the main menu as well, for you to go through all the steps, and also for you to view which are the ones you want to go to. Right, and then there will also be points whereby you see some useful templates that you can use. There's a part of the system. Right, so for example, when we are here defining our business goals, you can actually tap on the goals template. Alright, so if you open the goals template, this is what you'll see. Right, this is under the SSOS template database. Right, and then when you are in there, you can go to this part. Right, so you go through again, and then when you're at step 1.2, you'll see brainstorming template, and then my Ikigai template. Right, so you read out about Ikigai. Right, and then when we are ready, you can also use our AI prompt, a very comprehensive AI prompt for you to find your Ikigai. Fill up the questions below here. Right, and once you're done, you just need to hit on generate for the AI to generate out the entire Ikigai prompt for you to identify what's your Ikigai. right? And then of course you can go on, if you don't want to use AI, you can go on to our Ikigai template, right? And then you can also use the journal, right? You can read up about you can use journaling, right? You can also use matrix template to find out what type of Ikigai that you are looking at. Alright, and when you're done with that part, this is the main bulk of the entire OS. This is where you will generate your business plan, digital product and business plan. As usual, you have a ton of things that you can use here. Alright, you have access to a simple digital product business plan. Right, you can see it here. Alright, and then you also have 48 simple no-code solutions, brainstorming template, business model canvas template. But the main bulk of the business plan is here. Alright, what you do is you go through one by one. Okay, the same navigation table is here, right? And this is what you do, right? You fill up the questionnaires here. Right, you fill out the questions. I have some pre-entered wordings here, right? And what you need to do is you just need to hit generate after you're done, and the system will generate out your business description, right? So we are done with one portion. Go back and then we proceed with the second one, which is a problem. Alright, likewise I also have all the problems, the questions filled up ready, and what you need to do is you just need to change them according to your own business, and you just hit generate, right? Okay, and then you can go on to the third one, right? And again, yes, I've already completed it, so all you need to do is hit generate, and you're done, and you can continue with all this information here, right? So click on generate. For you, of course, you need to fill up all the particulars for the persona, right, for your target audience, right? So my target audience is the aspiring soul, right? And from here, let me just fast forward immediately to operation. This is where you discover the entire database of SOPs, right? So SOP forms a very important element in your business planning, right? So what I have here is the entire list of SOPs, right? Here, right? So it covers administrative, finance, management, marketing and sales, customer service, product service, HR, etc., right? And since my favorite is always sales and marketing, let me go to sales and marketing, and let me touch on content creation, right? And once we are at content creation, this is the SOP for content creation. As you can see, there's purpose, scope, responsibility, content strategy, planning, creation process, scheduling, performance tracking, tools, compliance. So this is the entire SOP. So imagine you have tons and tons of SOP already pre-made for you. And last but not least, there's an AI prompt whenever there's one, and you can generate an AI prompt for a detailed monthly content, right? So this allows you to generate out the entire monthly content almost immediately, right? And of course, once you are done with this, if you can recall, just now I was generating all the business plan items, right? And then I go to my business plan overview now, I will be able to see my entire digital product business plan, right? So you have the business description here, you have the broad problem statement, you have the solution, and you have the target market, which is the aspiring solopreneur. All these are already generated out, and all you need to do is to use them immediately. And once you're done with the last one, which is the scale your business, right, and then you go through all your scaling your business, explore how to automate and scale up your business. I have all the information included inside, right? And then of course there's also more and more prompts for you, new business opportunity prompts for you to actually scale your business in a way that is sustainable, Alright, so this is a very quick run through of the entire Solopreneur Success OS. It is one of the most comprehensive system that I have ever built. Alright, and I hope you like it. Alright, any questions, feel free to email me. Thanks, see you.